Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this is a big padlock and a really nice one as well. Very shiny. This is the ABUS 83CS. That's a closed shackle 80, and it says Series 2 on there, I believe. Yeah, but this is a big old padlock, very weighty indeed, and just really nice, isn't it? This is a really great ABUS rock. This was kindly lent me by my good friend Yukov, and here is the key. And this, if you look at that symbol there, it's a key with a little S. That is from the ABUS Pfaffenhain factory, and the bitting on this is wonderful, isn't it? 6 pins. Look at the highs and lows on that, especially pins 6, 5, and 3 there, all super high. The keyway itself isn't too crazy. It's not like one of the curved Pfaffenhain keyways, but it does work super smooth, just so nice. What's really good about this is that you have to pull the entire shackle out. Not great for if you have it on a chain, you lose it, but much better for security because you've got these really big sides here protecting that shackle. So you had a really big staple in there, very good against those twists and pulls and cutting attacks. So yeah, really nice padlock. So yeah, I think we just have to go and stick it in a vise and see if we can pick it. If we can pick it, then we should be able to gut it. So we're in the vise. Here is that lovely key with its excellent bitting. It works so smoothly as well. Let's grab something which will reach through past this anti-pull plate and just tension the lock at the top like that. And we've got a medium hook, and that should be enough. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so I'm not really feeling much there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, little click. 5, 6 is binding. Try and get under it. Here we go. It's binding, but I can't set it. Release and tension. Here we go. 6, got it. Back through. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is now binding. Little click, good. 6 binding again. Nice click. Pin 1's binding now. Nice click out of that. 2's binding. And 3. Little click. 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so 1 set, 2 set. Tap 3. 4, 5 and 6 at the back, I think. Okay, so back through, just releasing tension to pin 3, yeah, pin 3's binding, I think. There, into a full set, good. So now we can try to find anything which is giving us counter rotation. So it's not pin 1, not pin 2. Something will give us counter rotation. I'm sure of it. Feels a bit mushy at the back. This is giving me some counter rotation though. Okay. Let's try 1 pin at a time. 1, nothing. 2, nothing. 3, nothing. 4, nothing. 5, nothing. 6, nothing. So we're in a false set, and we're struggling to find that last pin or pins which are going to give us that counter rotation. Oh, here we go. It's pin 2. There we go. It's funny how I couldn't feel anything, and then all of a sudden it just, you know, did its thing. Pin 5 now. Six. Okay. So check pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. Back to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are open. Very strange little lock that to pick. I don't know what's going on inside it, but it's really good fun. Let's try and gut this beast then. So now it's unlocked, we can pull the shackle out. We can get a pinning tray like this. We should be able to then unscrew a screw down here. Oh, just here. And then tip out the bolt that holds it in. The faceplate will come off, and all the lock and some of the guts will come out too. So we'll just get all the ball bearings out of the way, because what they'll do is they'll end up just rolling out of this otherwise and getting in the way. So I'll just pop these here, and that little actuator. You see the little cups on the side to recess those ball bearings. And that, look how thick that anti-drill plate is. Then I'm just going to lock this back up because I've got the key, so we don't need to worry about that. And unscrew this back plate, which holds it all in. Lovely. There we go. Right, that should just pull off. Now, I've got the key and I have a shim, so I'm going to use the key and the shim. So key in, turn it slightly, make sure it's all aligned, and just pop the shim in, because I have no idea what's really going on inside this core. Never gutted it before. Feels like there's more going on than just spools. So I'm very interested to know what the pins are like inside here. Let's have a peek. So I think that these should all be standard, but who knows? We'll have a little look. So standard. Oh, don't know why pin 6 came out all on its own. Couldn't wait to get to the party, that's all it is. So typical sort of ABUS style. I think they could be steel pins, hard to say. Very nice, whatever they are. They feel really good quality anyway. Let's turn this one around. So combination of steel and possibly brass, hard to say. Okay, but nothing going on with the core out of the ordinary. So take the little shim out. We can go back through this lock and try to capture these pins as they come out. So first one is a steel standard driver. We have a spool, another standard driver, another spool. So maybe it's just standards and spools. Maybe they just feel a bit like serrated pins. Ah, here we go. That's a little T-pin. That's why it feels so weird. And another little T-pin at the back. Okay, that explains some of its trickiness and crunchiness. Let's put these aside. Have a look at all these pins in the light. And you can see here we have these little T-pins. So you set them, then they sort of hang up. They feel like a spool, but they're not. You sort of have to just keep pressing up on the key pins until they drop back down. There's no overset traps here that I can tell. So yeah, just a very nice, very well made lock from the Pfaffenhain ABUS factory. Yeah, really nice. And thank you to my good friend Yukov again for this. I thought I got both of these out. That's exactly what I said. There's three of them? I need to figure out all of that. Okay. But yeah, thanks to my good friend Yukov again for lending me this awesome lock. Absolutely love it. All right, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, leave a like. Any comments, leave them below. I do read them all, reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, want to see more content like this, now's a good time to subscribe. It really helps me out, as well as liking, of course. And I'll see you all next time.